Good afternoon, everyone. Michael Murphy here with the Murphy team at Long and Foster Real Estate in Downingtown and Westchester, coming to you with our Chester County market update for the month of August. Took a little pause for the summer to enjoy some family vacation time, but thought it'd be good to provide a little update. So, one of the questions we've been getting a lot over the summertime from both active buyers, active sellers, and potential buyers and sellers is this question: did the housing market finally begin to cool off this summer? Because it feels like there are many more homes coming on and many listings coming onto the market. And then the obvious question is, what does this mean? Well, it means something different. If you're coming at it from a seller's perspective, you don't want to think that you've potentially missed the quote unquote peak of the real estate market. And of course, the opposite. From a buyer's perspective, you'd like to think that maybe things are beginning to rebalance a little bit more in your favor to make it a little bit easier and a little less costly to purchase a home. So we're getting this question a lot, especially from anyone that's following, if they're on an automated home search, for example, that we set up through the real estate multiple listing service, or even if they're looking on it at an ancillary site like Zillow.com or Realtor.com, they can see that it feels like there's a lot more homes available on the market. And in fact, that would be correct. There are a lot more homes on the market right now than there were earlier. I won't read these numbers to you, but if you look back at the January, February timeframe, you see a little over 500 homes coming on or active, per month. Then you look at what happened beginning in April, carrying on through May, June, July. The number's up over 1,000. So the number of homes on the market available for sale is literally just about doubled from where we were earlier this year. So it's not that it feels like there's more homes on the market. There are more homes on the market, and all of our active buyers are seeing new homes pop up in their search on a daily and a weekly basis. So what does this mean? Does it mean the market has really cooled off and has begun to shift? Actually, no, it doesn't. The homes that are on the market are still selling very, very quickly. So this is days on market, which is measured from the time that an agreement to list a home is signed and the home goes live on the multiple listing service, which again feeds the ancillary sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, etc., until the date that an acceptable agreement of sale has been reached. So you see the days on market numbers back in the earlier part of the year were up above 30 days, and in July it was down to 15. So you've got about double the number of homes available for sale in the month of July, selling twice as quickly as they did earlier this year. So the short version of the story is it's still a very, very strong seller's market. As I noted down below, the month supply of inventory is very, very low at 1.2 months supply of inventory in the month of July. And again, at the risk of repeating, for those of you that watch our videos, you're aware that a quote unquote more balanced real estate market is when there are 6 months of supply of inventory. So still a strong seller's market. When it's going to end, we don't have a crystal ball. We do read a lot. We do research a lot to see what the other experts are saying. One thing we feel very strongly about is you will not see a housing quote unquote collapse, because the demand driver in the current market is entirely different than what happened leading up to the financial and housing collapse back in 2006 and 2007. So we think home values will remain steady. We do think, obviously, that things will begin to cool off, particularly if and when interest rates begin to rise. But from where we're sitting and from everything we're reading, we're not anticipating any significant change in this market, at least into 2022. So for those of you that are selling or planning on selling, you're happy to hear the message. For those of you that are buyers, hey, we don't candy coat it. It's definitely tough sledding out there, but people are buying homes every single day, and we're helping buyers buy homes every single month. So hang in there, be patient, use the right strategies as a buyer, and you'll find your dream home too. So I hope this was helpful information to you. Appreciate, we get a lot of nice comments about our videos. We appreciate all that support. And if you'd like to see more videos or understand more about our team, please take a look at our Facebook page or go to our website. So thanks again, everybody, for watching the videos from the Murphy team at Long and Foster Real Estate. Hope you have a good rest of the summer. Please feel free to reach out to myself or my wife, Susan, if you'd like any information about the real estate market. Thanks and take care.